Contrary to popular belief, Pinterest is not just a platform for inspiration. It's a potential gold mine. Like YouTube or TikTok, you can turn your Pinterest account into a money-making machine. Today, I will reveal 4 simple and realistic ways to do just that, and the best part, you could be earning up to a staggering $3,295 every week. So, let's dive right in. Pinterest is not your typical social media platform. It's a visual search engine and a bookmarking tool designed to help users discover and save ideas. And here's the secret sauce: it's also a powerful money-making tool. By tapping into people's interests, you could earn over $3,000 weekly without wasting much time. Let's explore the 4 ways to make this happen. Number 1. Link your e-commerce store with Pinterest. An e-commerce store refers to your online shop on e-commerce platforms like Shopify or eBay. But before we look into how you can link this store with Pinterest and earn more than $3,000 per week, you need to know what it entails. First, you need to have an e-commerce niche. To succeed in using Pinterest, you must narrow to an extremely small and highly specific niche. Why? Your business has to satisfy a specific audience, and for you to get that, you must work with a niche. That will also release you from fierce competition and give you a better chance to succeed. Then, you need to have a business model. How do you want to sell your product? Are you opting for drop shipping or print on demand? Your niche will help you determine that. Once done, you can open an e-commerce store on Shopify or WooCommerce. These websites have everything you need to thrive. They also grant access to shopping cart software. These tools can help supercharge your selling and help your store gain momentum. With your e-commerce store ready, you can pin your product page or sell your product directly on Pinterest. You only need to pin your website to your product pins. This will help drive traffic to them. To do that, select the Tag Product option when creating your pin. Then add your product title and product URL. Your product URL is your e-commerce store link. Your earning ability all depends on your product. That's why you need to choose your niche carefully. Once done with that, earning $3,295 to $4,500 won't be a problem. Before we move on to the next step, here are some statistics that might encourage you. Do you know that 80% of weekly Pinterest users discover a new brand or product through Pinterest? Also, 55% of Pinterest users use the app to search for products. Surprisingly, Pinterest shoppers have 85% bigger baskets than shoppers from other platforms. All these point to one fact: Pinterest is the best for your e-commerce business. Number 2. Join an affiliate marketing platform. Affiliate marketing refers to signing up as an affiliate for a company and generating traffic to its products or services. The company would then pay you a commission on each sale. So, once you are an affiliate marketer on Pinterest, you will earn commissions once a buyer buys through your affiliate link. You can also direct users to content about your affiliation, such as a blog post or video. This can arouse their interest to purchase the product, and depending on the traffic and commission, you can earn up to $3,500 weekly. One trick to boost your earnings through this method is to create boards for your affiliations. This will organize them and make them easy for users to find. Also, ensure that you create authentic, high-quality content. This will allow you to build a reputable account. If you don't know which affiliate marketing program to join, let me share a few with you. The first is Amazon's affiliate marketing program, one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. Once you sign up, you can share Amazon's products and services on your Pinterest account and receive compensation for the sales your link generates. However, ensure you adhere to Amazon's guidelines. You can also sign up as an affiliate on Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace for goods and other unique items. One way it promotes its products is through affiliate marketing partners. To qualify, you must submit an online application through its affiliate program portal. But before that, ensure you meet their criteria. Once approved, Etsy will pay you a commission for all sales through your link. My last option for you is the eBay affiliate program. eBay pays partners to share their products. Like the others, you earn a commission and may even earn credits for performing some activities. However, the only clause here is that you can only earn commissions when a buyer purchases an item within 24 hours of clicking the eBay purchase link on your Pinterest account. You can leverage these 3 affiliate programs in your Pinterest account and promote more than a product. Therefore, earning $3,500 to $4,800 becomes a reality. Number 3. Drive traffic to your blog or website through Pinterest. You can boost your blog and website traffic through Pinterest like you do on Google. Remember, Pinterest is also a search engine. How can you do this? You can include trending keywords, accurate descriptions, and searchable titles. You can also use rich pins to sync information from your website. So, to leverage this method, ensure that your blog or website offers services to a specific audience. The more you focus on your audience, the easier it is to create content that resonates with them. And of course, this will boost your earnings. Posting original images is another way to draw traffic to your blog or website through Pinterest. Try posting original infographics, graphics, or photos that reflect your brand's message. Additionally, when you repin, ensure you're repinning content that aligns well with your brand. Then, ensure that you include relevant tags to increase traffic. Pinterest no longer encourages hashtags, but recommends that creators use topic tags to categorize their content and improve reach. The more people click on your images, the more people are directed to your blog or website, increasing the number of potential customers or consumers. Number 4. Collaborate with brands. Another way to make money on Pinterest is to work with brands and include sponsored content. Thankfully, Pinterest makes it easier to connect influencers and brands with their paid partnership tool. How can you do this? To add a brand partnership label, go to the Finishing Touches screen and select Advanced Settings. Enable the Add Paid Partnership Label option, then select a brand partner. Locate and add the desired brand. A message confirming the need for approval will appear, prompting you to send a request to the brand. Click on Publish to go live with your content and initiate the request. Once the brand approves the request, its name will be displayed alongside the content. However, brands can decide to reject your request. So, you need to play your part by approaching brands aligned with your content with a media kit that includes your Pinterest profile, key metrics, and sample content or past collaborations. After securing a paid partnership with a brand, you can promote your pin content as a sponsored ad, expanding its reach to a wider audience. This strategy not only enhances your credibility, but also boosts awareness of your profile and content on Pinterest. As your audience engages with your content, you can effortlessly earn between $3,600 and $4,800 weekly. Now that you know the 4 ways, there are things you need to put in place. Without these foundations, you will not be able to utilize them. So, what are they? First, you need to set up a Pinterest business account. If you have the basic account now, you need to change it to the business account. Why is this necessary? You need a business account to access the necessary analytics tools and features. Also, you can only create idea pins, video advertisements, and product catalogs on the business account. You must also personalize your Pinterest profile with a branded image, claim your brand's website, and apply for the Verified Merchants program to receive a blue checkmark next to your profile. Next, you need to create rich pins. Rich pins refer to contextual information on your branded pins while syncing directly to information from your website. Product-rich pins are connected to your e-commerce store and include updated information about product pricing, availability, and features. If you're running a blog, article-rich pins include information from your blog post, like its headline, description, and author information. Rich pins can help your content stand out and rank higher on Pinterest results pages. Also, you need to work with SEO. Remember, Pinterest works like a search engine, so optimizing your on-page SEO can help your pins find their audience. So, what do you need to do? You need to perform keyword research to find the most relevant keywords. You fill these into your pin description, metadata, and content. By optimizing your pins for the Pinterest search engine, you can reach more users trying to learn about a topic relevant to your brand. Another key to earning more on Pinterest is consistency. You need to post pins regularly, at least once a week. Create Pinterest content that offers exciting and applicable information specific to your audience. Also, ensure your pins are eye-catching by adding visually appealing images and captivating videos. While optimizing your Pinterest account, add a save button. Customers can save products or pages directly from your e-commerce website to their Pinterest boards. These buttons make it easy for customers with a Pinterest profile to engage with your material and post about it on the platform. Which of these methods resonates with you? Share them with me in the comment section below. See you in the next one.